Like a child builds up its morality depending on the environment and the family it is growing in. It also goes through a series of institutions, of which university is a very vital part. And Presidency University undoubtedly never fails to give the student that environment to be not only a very good student, also to be a very responsible citizen. I was attracted to choose Presidency University because of its scholarship plans. It gives a various level of scholarships, of which I am the gainer of the 100% scholarship. This scholarship not only boosted my inspiration towards studying hard and maintaining the scholarship, also it gave me enough time to build my other skills. This is giving me a tension-free environment throughout the semester, of which I'm not being tense about my semester fees at all. Other than these environment and skill development, the Presidency University also offers various amazing set of faculty members. These faculty members are very much responsible and they have very amazing course plans towards the students, and they are always inspiring the students to be good students and good citizens at the same time. Everyone should choose Presidency University, and Presidency University should be listed among their best university selection, not only because of the scholarship opportunities, because it has the very best environment to have a very good career ahead and have a very successful future.